Ah, didn't hear you. It doesn't listen to your commands. Oh, what are you getting? Some ingredients? Mmm. What is that, Liza? Getting some butter? Can I get a closer look?
Oh.
Oh, Gabe, I knew you were going to be dishing out a good one here this evening.
Certainly will be.
We got a lot of action here going on. Nathaniel's running to the kitchen.
Why are you videoing me? I hate this.
Mmm. Something's cooking in the kitchen. Ooh. Looks like a big spoon.
Yes, sir.
You sure you need that big of a spoon for that small of a bowl?
Yes, Jason.
Okay. Well, you know what you're doing. I don't.
Just space them out so that they're not touching.
Can you come watch this?
Never mind, Will.
Oh, ingredients is.
Yeah.
There you go, buddy. Good job. You're doing a good job. Let's call it straddle.
Well, you told me to put that much water in. I did not.
Will, be careful. That's hot.
Butter. How much do we need?
You can help me put these on just how I'm doing it.
Okay, this goes with this.
4.
Mine looks so bad. It's fine. It's just like the skin is not even tomato.
He's back. He's back.
What? Why are you following me?
I keep going on, Nathaniel. This thing's pretty fun. You can get up in there like this. I think it's coming out.
Can you say hi?
Oh, we got some frenzy in the kitchen going on. This is not another episode of You Know What's Kitchen, but Heaven's Kitchen.
A big so bad. You're doing great. It's fine. Look at
Nice
this
job.
tomato.
That is the way you cut a tomato if I have ever seen it.
Yeah.
Let's go see what's going on over here at the table of love. Oh, look at the precision there in that. Nice job, Tyler. Where did you learn how to touch with such delicacies? I don't know. Well, let me tell you, son, you have a gift like none other. Look at that. Smells really good. Hopefully it tastes as good as it smells. Oh, are you serious? I know where you're going with this.
Where do you think we're going to?
Well, it smells like something Mexicano, and I love me some Mexicano.
Okay, do you know how to... We have to keep those here, right?
Yeah, you do.
Oh my God.
My goodness, we got some cheating going on here.
I knew.
Level of stress is intensifying. Dude, this is going to be good, guys. Alicia's going to like this. I'm going to turn off the air here for now.
Nice talking to you guys. That's so not fair.
Guys at home,
It's not fair. You take the ingredients. Leaders.
those of you at home that are watching, we might have a fight break
To
out.
disqualify Sarah. That's not just Sarah. Go home.
How many was that? Sarah, the camera is running, and it will. We will see. What's wrong, buddy? I can't open the salt. Here, get a girl. Hey, Victor can open it.
I don't have nails. I just clipped them.
Well,
What do you guys have that I can take from your, like,
she
just
can't
gotta
get the salt open. We should have. That's why we should have.
We had one out here.
Leash, look at this. Tyler,
You guys have the salt?
Leash, watch how Tyler cuts this stuff up. I mean,
already cut
it's
it.
amazing.
Am I supposed to uncut it to cut it again?
Just cut some more. I just want to see you cut stuff. Yeah, cut an avocado. 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 Can you say that?
Avocado.
Oh, very good. For a boy with a Russian accent. Avocado. Avocado. Hey, Mika. I mean,